Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, just a quick reminder. The link to purchase this micro ATX case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out. This micro ATX PC case is a versatile and compact solution designed to support a range of motherboard sizes including micro ATX, MATX, DTX, and ITX, making it a flexible option for various PC builds. The case accommodates micro ATX motherboards up to 25.5 by 25.5 centimeters and ITX motherboards of 17 by 17 centimeters, which covers most standard builds. One of its standout features is the support for multiple storage drives, up to 3.5-inch HDDs and one 2.5-inch SSD, or alternatively two 3.5-inch HDDs and one 2.5-inch SSD when two front fans are installed. This is ideal for users who need ample storage without sacrificing airflow. Speaking of airflow, the case is constructed from 0.8 mm SPCC steel and includes numerous air vents to ensure efficient heat dissipation. It supports up to 3 fans, two 120 mm fans in the front and one 80 mm fan at the back, and it can accommodate a CPU cooler up to 135 mm in height. Graphics card length support is generous as well, allowing cards up to 250 mm in length or 225 mm if a front fan is installed. The front panel is equipped with convenient ports including USB 3.0, USB 2.0, audio and microphone jacks, plus power and reset buttons, making connectivity and control straightforward. On the plus side, this case offers excellent compatibility with various motherboard sizes and good support for multiple storage drives, making it suitable for both budget and mid-range builds. Its compact size is perfect for users looking to save desk space without compromising on performance. The inclusion of USB 3.0 on the front panel is a significant convenience for fast data transfers. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The case does not come with any fans included, so you will need to purchase those separately, which could add to the overall cost. Also, the CPU cooler height limit of 135 mm might restrict users who want to install larger aftermarket coolers for better thermal performance. Lastly, the minimalist design may not appeal to those looking for RGB lighting or a more modern aesthetic. Overall, this micro ATX case is a solid choice for anyone needing a compact, functional, and affordable case that supports a variety of builds and offers good airflow options. Remember, the link to buy this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so make sure to grab yours while the offer lasts.